Hello students, welcome back to my channel Lightup Knowledge and very warm welcome to today's video. I hope you all are doing great. In today's video we will cover subject. So I've already started on with the playlist of sentences in English language and this is the second video in the row. So without any further ado or delay, let's get started. In English grammar, subject and predicate are the parts of sentences. Each sentence is complete only by the formation of these two components. Subject and predicate form an important part of English grammar. So, the subject of the sentence is the part that names the person of an action or the person that we are speaking about, the person or thing that we are speaking about. So, therefore, a subject is a doer of an action. A subject is a doer of an action, and that doer of action could be either a noun or a pronoun. And noun means the person or the thing about which the action is being revolved or is performed by that particular noun. Have a look at this example here. Ajinkya Rahane is a promising cricketer. So therefore here Ajinkya Rahane, right, he is doing the action of being promising, right. So therefore Ajinkya Rahane is the subject, is the doer of the action, because the action revolves around this character Ajinkya Rahane. What does a subject do? The subject is that part of the sentence that talks about the noun which refers to the person or thing doing the action in forms of verbs. Therefore, a subject is that part of a sentence which is basically a word or a group of words about which something is being said. We could say that the subject of a sentence is that which talks about the theme, something important is being discussed. The central portion of a sentence is the subject, the doer of an action. Either it will be a noun or a pronoun, and the action, the verb will be revolving around that particular noun, that is the subject used in the sentence. There are three types of subjects in English sentence structure. The first one is simple subject, the second one is complete subject, and the third one is compound subject. The first category is simple subject. Now, what is a simple subject? A simple subject is that part of the sentence which has only subject. So, a subject, absolutely a noun without nothing else, is the subject. Have a look at this example here. Janvi is playing the guitar and singing at the party. So, Janvi is the subject, right? It is a simple subject. It is without any other word. So, it is a simple subject. A simple subject is one which only has that particular subject, not with any other word or modifier whatsoever. The second category is complete subject. What is a complete subject? It is that part of the sentence which has a subject with a modifier. So, in the previous type we have studied that it has only one word and that one word would be subject, right? And complete subject is a subject which has a subject, one subject, and it has a modifier. Now, a modifier could be any determiner, it could be an article, it could be quantifiers, etc. Okay, so have a look at this example here. The old man took a deep breath and then started the story. The old man took a deep breath and started the story. So now the old man, so therefore the subject is having an article, a modifier with it. So therefore a subject which has a modifier and a subject is a complete subject. So therefore a complete subject is a subject in which there is a subject and there is a modifier like an article or any other determiner. The third and the last type of subject is a compound subject. It is that part of the sentence that has two or more subjects joined with the help of a conjunction. Very easy, right? A compound subject is one in which there is more than one subject. It could be two or more, and it has a conjunction as a joiner, as a connector. Have a look at this example here. Cricket and football are my favorite games. So, therefore, two subjects joined by a conjunction is called a compound subject. So, yes, guys, that was all for today's video. I hope you enjoyed watching this video and you found it useful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel and press that bell icon so that you can get regular notifications. Keep learning and keep growing.